What's the meaning of coniferous? Coniferous. Coniferous.
Coniferous. Coniferous. Coniferous refers to trees or plants that produce cones to carry their seeds and typically retain their needle-like leaves all year round. These trees are usually evergreen and are often found in colder regions and mountainous areas. They can include species such as pine, spruce, fir, and cedar. Conifers play an important role in many ecosystems, providing habitats for animals and birds, as well as being used for timber and paper production. The term coniferous is derived from the Latin word conus, meaning cone, and ferae, meaning to bear.